Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money using AI video. So I will show you a step-by-step tutorial how you can find the trending topics, that's mean the niche, and how you can find the Amazon product, best product, alright? And then we'll make a AI video using flexclip.com, and then finally we'll upload into our YouTube channel. And the full process I will show you in practical way, so don't waste your time, just stay focused on video and practice. So if you are a student, if you're a housewife, or if you're a job holder, and if you want to make money, that means you want to start your side hustle, so this video for you. Using AI you can make money, but you have to know first the way, that's mean the best way. So I will show the easiest way. It's pretty simple, so anyone can do this. You don't need to spend any single money to hire someone or do marketing, okay? So also you don't need to have a video editing skill, so as we are creating videos, so we'll done it a step by step, and I hope you can do this, okay? So if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so let's get started. Our first step is we have to research on Google Trends. So visit trends.google.com and you will find these options where you have to search something like, so when you type on fitness, you will find physical fitness, okay? So let's select on search terms, okay, and click on that and you will find a graph, okay? So I will explain a little bit so that you can understand. So this is the search term fitness, country United States, and past day, so make it past 12 months. It's perfect because we can see the better graph. Also all categories, so we don't have to select any categories. Also you can select, so also select on beauty and fitness, so you can search one YouTube channel, okay, web search. And very important, we have to select YouTube search. That means as we are going to produce videos and we have to upload on YouTube, so select on YouTube search. What's the settings behind? That means this graph, so this graph represent YouTube search. That means how many person does search on YouTube channel about beauty fitness last 12 months, okay, in the United States. And you will see the curve between 50 to 75 and related queries, the most important. That means the most of the people, they are searching integrators, best fitness tracker 24. Click on that and you will find the lots of queries. So our target is, we'll find a keyword like best fitness tracker 24. Click on that and this is our niche. That means this is our trending product niche, best fitness tracker 24, and you will find the graph. It's just increasing, guys, and we have to copy the product name and go back to Amazon. This is the second phase, okay? The second step, we have to find the tracker, all right, best fitness tracker. Click on that and you will find a options like short by. Click on here and let's click on best seller. That means we are looking for best fitness tracker, which is most searching keyword in the United States. That means the maximum people they are searching right now, and its trending is very good. And let's find the product from Amazon, and this is the razor, guys, short by bestseller. All right, and you will find the number one product and the total reviews 13,944 and the product bought in the past month 10k products, okay? This is the most highest selling product, I think. And here you go, the second one, okay, and the fourth one. So you can pick any one of them, but don't focus on the ads or any featured, okay? They are like advertising. So if I visit the first one, the highest one, so let's click on that. So this is the product, guys. We finally got our product. This is the product we want to promote. So our third step is we have to create video using AI. So let's copy the URL, that's been the product URL, and go back to flexclip.com and click on AI video generator. Alright, and it will open a new tab and you will find it AI text to video generator. So you can also article. So this is the option, okay? So click on that, article to video. Also you can put article, but we're not going to put any article. I'm going to already the URL that I've already copied from Amazon. So let's paste it here and click on generate. So flexclip.com will help us to analyzing our content, managing a different kind of videos and footage they will add also there, and then finally they produce a video. So I will show you the next step. Alright guys, so finally our video is already generated. This is the source article. That's mean FlexClip just gather some information from this through the link, and they some collect from different kind of content. That's mean the product content, that's mean you will find here. Also you can sense, and this is the timeline, and this is the all the scenario about there. So also you can replace this kind of videos if you don't like. Okay, so how you can replace? If you use this as sample tracker and links to a smartphone to download results, you will be very happy with it. So if you don't like this video like this one, so click on replace media or simple tracker use smartphone. So you will find a different kind of videos and images. So find your favorite video and just click. So this one, I think this one is perfect. So let's click on replace. So it will come up here, everything is perfect. Okay, so that you can replace the footage or videos over there. Okay, so everything is perfect. So it's time to click on add to timeline. Okay, so let's click on replace wall and click on apply. Alright guys, so finally this is the third steps where FlexClip generate the final version. That's mean our video total length 1 minute 17 seconds. Okay, and this is the subtitle, and these are the footage. That's mean the videos. Also you will find the voiceover. Alright guys, so finally everything is done. So if you want to change the subtitle style, so let's click on subtitle and let's click on that, and let's scroll down and you will find the option dark one. That's mean the cool text. Click on that and you will see the changes over there. Okay, so finally it's time to download. So how you can download? So let's click on export button, and you will find the video resolution 180 pixel, frame rate 60 fps, high quality. Okay, so let's click on X. Finally our video is rendering. It will take about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how we can upload into YouTube video using hashtag, description, and also the title. Okay, also you can generate the thumbnail. So this is the easiest way guys. You can produce videos and also you can upload into YouTube video and you can make money. So let's talk about how we can make money on YouTube using this kind of videos. The number one is Google AdSense. So you can make money with Google AdSense once you've done 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours. That's mean us hours. Okay, and the second one is Amazon affiliate marketing. So that's why we are creating Amazon video. That means Amazon product video. Alright guys, so finally video is ready. It's already downloaded. Okay, so it's time to upload. So let's go back to YouTube. So I am going to click on upload video and let's upload the video. Let's select the file. Alright, so our video is uploading. 59 seconds left. So let's correct the main title and scroll down. We have some settings over there. So select on no, it's not made for kids, and altered content. Definitely it's AI generated content, so let's select the yes and scroll down. All right, and this is the option, very important guys, tags. Okay, so you'll find similar tags over there like fitness tracker and fitness tracker renew. Okay, best fitness tracker. Also our main keyword, that's been the main title. Let's copy and paste it here. Okay, so how we can find this kind of hashtags? So you have to use vidIQ or TubeBuddy Chrome extension. So these two Chrome extension will help us to find and generate this kind of keywords. It's very important for your video SEO. Alright guys, the checks copyright no issues found. That's very great. Alright, save or publish. So I'm going to click on unlist because I will publish it later, because I have to create a good thumbnail. Okay, it's very important guys if you want to really make money on Amazon, because you have to find a Amazon affiliate link. So once you create your video and once your YouTube channel is growing, then you can apply for Amazon Associated. It's an affiliate program, and once you approved, you will find a URL. So this is the not affiliate URL, this is the product URL, and once you affiliate associated account approved, then you will get a URL that's gonna help you to make money. That's been affiliate, and then you can put into your video description. So you can add it later, it doesn't matter. Okay, so when you approve, but create some videos, so 10, 20, 50, 30 videos. But guys, and very interesting, you will find a auto generated, it's a AI auto generated thumbnail. Okay, so you can change from here. So I'm going to select this one. Perfect. Okay, and let's click on save. Also you can create a very good thumbnail, okay, using Canva. It's pretty easy, guys. Okay guys, so this is the continue process, guys. You have to produce this kind of videos. Once you fulfill the requirements, then you can start make money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have any queries, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I will come back with another video. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.